Alright guys, welcome back to another video of Grilling episode 6 with Shannon. This one is called TikTok Sensation NOHUN Talk Over Night Fame and such and such. So we're gonna check out this video and see what's going on. Remember guys, I did episode 1 to 5. If you wanna check that out on the channel. Grilling! I don't know who the hell this is, bro.
And I'm here because you asked me to
Ben, most of these
you know that I'm
UK,
yeah.
UK.
Oh, right, okay, it's fine. Yeah. I'm a
No way.
Slag. Don't know about data. You know, she can ask me anything. Nothing's off limits. Yes,
So,
I'm fucking ready. Let's go.
If you're gay, why are you on the show? Man, I'm not gonna lie. She got some nice. I'm not gonna lie. This suit look good. This suit look good. Some of the suit look alright, but this suit, I like this suit. But if this dude is gay, why is he on the freaking show?
Hello.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Is he really?
NOHUN.
Cheyenne.
Is he really
Nice to
gay,
meet you.
bruh?
Are we doing handshake?
Why has this guy got a cocktail firstly? Where's your wife?
I'm not 40 and celibate just yet, there.
Do I look 40 and celibate?
No.
So tell me about yourself. No.
What do you want to know?
Oh my god.
Barn. Let's start with
Dude,
that.
Well, my work is fun.
Yeah.
I feel like I gotta have a
Some
laugh at this
videos.
episode, bruh. Honestly.
Okay.
Online.
Wait, what kind of online videos?
Not porn. Not yet.
Not yet. You do porn?
Of course.
Really?
Yeah.
Have you got a big dick then?
I think so.
Would you show me?
I'll show you a picture if you want. It's not like you're ever going to get it.
I'm never going to get your dick.
I don't like girls.
So this is your first.
Oh my god.
I'm a lass. I won't be doing
But
that.
you might have so much.
But
money.
they didn't show
So
me.
you
I
never
was
do
sure,
anything.
bruh.
I have.
How was
Like
that
we
for
say,
you?
I will show her a picture. That's the right way to go, dude.
Why?
Because I didn't like it.
When was that?
Well, how old am I? How old do you think I look?
25.
I'm 28.
Are you?
Yeah, I was 15.
Oh, she's
15,
25.
that was your
Yeah.
first experience.
There is a story behind it. Do you want to hear it?
Yes, we want to hear it.
You know what? I
I was
like
sleeping with a
how.
guy.
You know what funny? She's 25. She look young for real. You know what I found funny? The UK, people in the UK don't look old, like old for their age. When it comes to America, when you see some, dude, this girl would be all 16 in America. Just like how Shannon is 25, you have girl that is 16 and look just like Shannon. America is a total different place. I don't know what food they're eating, but I think Canada too. I don't know what type of food they're eating, but damn. So I think UK have a somewhat normal
girlfriend.
level of.
Stop.
When his girlfriend found out, she was like, let's get back at him and we'll sleep together. So we
Wait.
slept together.
Wait, what? 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 Wait, that is like 100 ways of toxic. So you slept with a guy.
Yeah.
So the guy is bisexual?
Yeah.
Or was he like closet gay?
Bi.
So his was open
Yeah.
out bisexual?
No, not open and out, but he was bi.
Right, so
Yeah.
he had a girlfriend.
Yeah.
And slept with you.
Yeah.
And so you basically preferred him over her.
But she's my best friend now.
What?
What?
And we haven't spoken to him for about 10 years.
That is wild.
Really?
That is so wild.
I think
That is
actually that's
literally
the
just
wildest
an
thing I've
insight.
heard.
That is just an insight to...
So she their best friend that
Yeah.
you
Would you say you were
smashed.
like a nice boyfriend?
I don't know about that,
Yeah?
bruh.
What makes you a nice
I don't know
boyfriend?
about that.
When I'm actually a boyfriend, I'm very faithful.
That's a big tick.
No,
I'm
no.
still
Dude, honest
rating
to
you,
God,
but
I
you're
don't
getting
know
a
why I'm
rating on
even
how you
watching
are
this
as a
episode, bruh.
date.
But even though...
Listen, I've got gay guy mates, so I'm going to do the rating
Okay,
for them.
all right, okay.
Yeah.
I hope
You know
it's
what?
a good rating.
I'm
Well,
just gonna
I hope
watch
you're
it
a good date.
I
because
will be a good rating. We're not even
look, I'm not phobia against nobody, bruh. So I'm gonna watch it for Shannon to hear her
Okay.
ratings and see what's
So,
going
I
on.
still do my main
I see if
job.
she's biased
Which is,
or what. I'm gonna
support
just
people
listen
as
and
well.
see if she's biased.
And then I have my other job, which is like Instagram, TikTok, I'm making my videos. But now it's getting a bit more busy with that. I'm probably going to quit my job.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
So you
And I've
start
just started a business as well,
Oh, brilliant.
clothing business.
So with your mental health work and everything.
Dude, I just realized
what
the
leads you to
title
do
said
that?
My mental health
100
was
one
really
night
bad. I didn't know
stand.
how to manage it.
Is that
Was
with?
it the social media?
You know what,
life
I'm not even gonna
that led to
question
this,
that. I'm just gonna
mental
feel
health
what they're gonna
crisis
say
where
about that
you're
whole situation.
unbalanced? Like, what is it?
Life
Just like
experiences, yeah.
from being bullied when you were younger?
Yeah, that and other things that happened to me as a child, traumatic childhood, lived on my own.
Dude, honestly,
from a
I thought this
young
guy
age,
was
16.
joking about the
Got
whole
into a lot of toxic
queer thing,
relationships with older
but
men.
I cannot believe him, though. Bruh. That's
dangerous.
Yeah.
Wow.
That, I feel like as well, like, and I mean this with no shade towards like the LGBT community. You know, like I represent with it as well because to me, my sexuality is open. Also.
Yeah, yeah.
Like the older.
Oh,
older
damn.
people.
Shannon is a freak, dude. Listen, bruh. I knew it, bruh, dude. I can sense the freak energy from her, bruh. she's into women and man. Basically, that's what she's saying, bro. She's
Yeah.
open to anything.
Would be
So,
you
Yeah.
in your situation going back to
Yeah,
your
yeah.
childhood, not to
most,
child,
a lot of
but
women
when you're a young
are into those
adult
stuff,
trying to
like
discover
dibble
who you are,
dabble.
coming
I
out
think
as
she's
gay,
young, so
to then
I would
have an older
understand the
man,
situation.
you know,
They exploit that,
entertain
don't they?
you.
Yeah, they exploit that, I think. But you know, I grew up and I got wise,
Yeah.
and I'm dealing with my mental health better now. So, why are you here? What are you doing here?
I'm here today.
But I've seen some of the men that have been on here, I mean. They're not ready for the market, but they just scream narcissistic to me. Sociopath, yeah. Not feeling it.
Yeah, right. Some of
Yeah,
comedian.
Are they yours?
Yeah.
Are they?
I like dark chocolate.
I didn't
Oh,
say I like dark chocolate to
she
try.
like the
Do
duck
you?
dick.
Oh, as well.
She like the
I never used to.
Did you not?
No. Never used to be attracted to black eyes.
What changed?
I don't
It's
know.
literally once you go black, no going
I
back.
think literally that is probably it, yeah.
Is that it?
I mean, it is true what they say. Once you go black, you never go back. And the reason
I
is
don't,
because
I don't know
to be
how
able
the
to fill up
UK
that
thing
hole
go. I
there,
don't
so,
know
yep.
if
There
the
you
UK girls them love black man
What
or
is
what.
it,
I don't know all the
toxic
story.
trait?
Probably yes, probably no. I don't know.
Really bad nitpicker.
You're the worst.
I'm really bad.
Nitpickers are the worst.
Not you know, a little bit of water on the side.
Water, water. Get
Yes,
my
you could
And
do.
get out
water
of my
ready.
house. I don't want to see you again.
So you could just wipe the side yourself, have no drama, but you're going
Yeah.
to create a whole drama out of it.
I'll be like, if you don't get out, I'm phoning the police.
Oh my
It
God.
has gone that far.
He is so dramatic. Do you have
Get my
any
water
red
ready.
flags?
You know what really pisses me off? The phone.
Yes.
Face down.
No, I agree with you there.
Really, I feel like, why did you put your... I never put my phone face down. What are you trying to hide from me? Why isn't it up the screen side? How are you going to know if someone's sent you
Man,
a
this
message
guy
if it's
is
face down?
something else, bro. I don't know what he did to get famous on TikTok, but
My job is to
I don't
make
know, bruh.
college easier because students have a lot on their
he said, I'm famous on TikTok, bitch. I'm famous on TikTok.
My weight's always been a problem for me. But then on the other hand, you know, you're moaning about your weight, but then you're shoving out Kit Kats in your mouth. What do you think is going to happen?
They're in it.
You know what I mean?
Wait,
What
what?
does NOHUN think of women that sleep about?
Ho, ho,
What's your
ho.
business? Sleep with who you want to sleep with.
Yeah.
Who you are as a person.
Yeah.
That
Do
I'm
you
more
think?
concerned about, yeah.
Do you think
You don't have
are
no
gay?
saying this,
You
buddy.
find
You
it-
go the
you
other way.
understand female
You're
feminism,
not the
whole
one who's gonna have
female
to be with
liberation
one of
movement,
those
things like that,
chicks.
because I
So
find
you can
a
say
lot of
anything
men
out your
have
mouth.
this misogynistic, one-sided perspective on women not being able to sleep about.
Misogyny. The hatred of women. Misogyny. The hatred of women. Why does women always use that word like it's just, oh, tip of the tongue, misogyny? If a man is telling you his options or what he likes or what he don't like, that's not misogyny. It's standard. Just like how women want a man that is 6 feet tall, rich, big dick, can rinse out their guts, protect them, have a friggin' long ass list of probably 30 different stuff what women want. Men just want a small, probably 5 stuff. So you see the difference? But hey, women are queens, bruh.
Yeah.
Bow
Whereas,
before the
because
queens.
you're going to sleep with men, you see it from a kind of different perspective.
Yeah, 100%, yeah. Because I feel like women are
I don't know, bruh.
suppressed, or have been,
Yeah.
for a
Suppressed?
long time. It's generational. Same with guys. You
Dude,
know, the trans people, all
dude.
people who sort of...
Dude, you know what's funny? As I said before, women in first world country are vastly have way more power than women in third world countries. So they're not freaking suppressed, bruh. You have women in first world countries that is high up in politics, high up in doctorate, high up in everything. They have the most power in first world countries. But hey,
belong in a subgroup
Yeah.
that's not a white... I don't know, I went with somebody yesterday. I was sitting in my car on my phone having a cigarette. Someone comes right up to my window. Oh my God, that's no one, that is, looking through the car. I jumped out the car and then when I said to her, and she started laughing. And then I said to her, just fuck off. She's like, you're a prick, you are. And I said, oh, look, this haven't got saggy tits like you.
Oh my God.
oh,
Do you like the thing?
damn.
Financial is good. The opportunities are good.
But
But
the
then-
excess attention
I've always thrived off being able to go and do what I want to do when I want to do it. I don't have that luxury anymore of being able to just get out of my car, confidently walk into a shop and know that nobody's going to trouble me. And I'm not always in the greatest of moods.
I'm kind of like very grateful, not saying that you're not, I'm very grateful for the people that are kind of putting me where I need to be.
When they trouble me and harass me...
Yeah, there's a difference.
Then
Yeah, the difference from harassing people and just bothering
Can
people.
I have a picture? Of course, Bab, come here, let's have a picture. That's
Yeah.
it, you'll leave me alone then, you got what you wanted.
But it's when you're getting followed.
But when you're following me around the shop with a camera...
It's the people that don't talk, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. The people that
stalkery
don't talk,
ones.
the stalker people that really make me feel uncomfortable.
Dude, I understand
I'm
people
grateful to
stalking
my friends
Shannon, but
who follow me.
this dude, I don't get it, man.
Because without them, I wouldn't be where I am now. But what I want them to understand as well, I've done a lot, even though they've...
It's the connived.
I've done a lot for them.
Yeah.
I've given them content. They all tell me, oh, you got me through lockdown. Your videos got me through lockdown. Well, so I've done a lot for you as well, so why can't I?
You can have your boundaries, like you
Yeah,
said.
have more boundaries.
Have you ever been on OnlyFans?
Dude, that's the thing.
Have you?
with
I have
fame.
OnlyFans, but there's nothing on there now.
Oh, really?
It's been inactive for about 2 years. Nobody subscribed.
That's the thing with
Well,
fame.
OnlyFans would have
When
been for me if somebody had have actually subscribed, but nobody
When-
did. So, yeah, that's to forge a new career.
So no
dude,
to OnlyFans.
yeah, see, that to
For
show you
now.
that he's
For
a
now.
prime example about the
If my career
OnlyFans
goes tits
situation.
up, then yeah,
When
I can't make as much money from it as I
OnlyFans
What
is
about a partner
mostly
having
for
OnlyFans?
women. Women
No.
can make money on
It depends
OnlyFans more
who
easier.
is going to be on there. You can't
God,
make
dude, come
OnlyFans
on, men
having
the one
real
who spend
people.
most of the money.
How would you feel actually if
On
you had a
OnlyFans.
partner and they had
For
OnlyFans with a
OnlyFans.
female? Because technically it's work and they're actually gay.
Yeah, if they're gay, how are they having sex with a woman?
Money, porn industry.
Is that really how it works?
Well, some.
No, that would make me really, really insecure. I couldn't do that.
Really?
Yeah. If my boyfriend wants to be on OnlyFans, he can be on OnlyFans,
Oh, we can now.
but only with me.
Oh, okay.
Our content.
Dude, I
Can't
just
go and make
can't
content with
picture
someone
that in
else,
my
man.
head, bro.
It's a
Like, I
nightmare.
just can't see that situation playing out, bro. Honest to God. Can't see that whole situation.
What is it?
Black socks.
What?
Black socks.
What?
Really?
No, is that what you heard?
No.
You have a black socks there.
Yeah. What colour socks you have?
So, you...
Oh! He's fucked it now. Black socks and
That's kind of weird.
harnesses. Do you know what a harness is?
No, what is it?
A harness is leather straps that you put on your body like a harness. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, the
Like a dog
strapping
harness,
stuff.
so-
Yeah, that
Big
would seem more
balls.
realistic.
No,
But
no.
the
Do you
socks
wear it or they
thing
wear
is
it?
kind of weird.
I wear it. Oh, I'll wear it.
I
Whoever.
don't understand the socks situation.
No,
No.
I'm not into pup play.
What's that?
You don't know what pup play is?
No. What the hell is pup play?
Dude, Shannon is like,
Oh, next
I'm learning so much. That's probably what she's
Pup
saying.
play is someone puts a dog mask on.
No, that's going too far. But you said
Oh, no,
harness,
yeah,
so...
no, what do you mean it's going too
Why have you
far?
done that?
No, I've been invited to do it, but obviously not.
Have you gone to sex parties and stuff?
Yeah.
What's it like?
Shit.
Dude, Shannon
Your
is
sex
interesting,
like
bro.
that wild,
She's
and then you go
like,
to these parties and you're like,
who do mind she's go there, but
Not for
she's
me.
famous
I
now,
think-
so she can't really go.
Quite boring, to be honest.
you're like one man person. Or is it
Well, I
threesome
wouldn't go
then?
that far, but you know, you're not 20 at the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you ever lied to have sex with someone?
Lied about what?
Like lied about your age?
Yeah.
Lied about...
Yeah, I told somebody that I was leaving. I was moving to Spain.
Look,
Like, this would be the last time I was going to see them.
you wanted basically like a leavers sympathy bang.
Yeah, sympathy bang, yeah. I mean, the worst part about that is I went to Sainsbury's the next day and he was there waiting at the checkout.
Have you had a one night stand then? So that would be it.
I've had over 100.
Really?
100.
100 one night stands. He is active.
Dude,
Oh, yeah,
that's,
I used to be
man,
sad.
he did set it easier
Yeah.
with their
I
situation,
used
right?
to enjoy it.
So what do you want now? Would you like settle down or are you looking for fun?
I just want to be on my own.
You want to be on your own?
Yeah, sorry.
Yes.
I don't think this is working.
Firstly, you're gay.
Dude, that's what like it's sad, bro. Like the
If
life
you're going on a
of
date and you're trying to impress
those
someone,
people
what
are
you
sad
doing?
in a way if they don't
I'm
know
doing
porn or
something
something like
really
that.
adventurous.
Okay.
We're going to Drayton Manor
Nice.
or Alton Towers.
Do you make them split the bill or do you pay?
I think it depends who asked who.
Yeah.
First of all, I think we need to get rid of this thing though where men always pay the bill for women.
Yeah. I
I think,
agree.
yeah, because, you know,
Yeah,
what we're
right.
saying about
Yeah,
things that
right.
Well, if women want equality, then they need to
Pay
start
the
paying the
bill.
bill.
Dude, listen, they don't want no freaking equality, bruh. That's a myth. Women don't want equality. They say they want it, but when certain situation comes up, oh babe, go defend that. No, defend me against that criminal. This is your time. Oh babe, pay this for this, pay for that. Do this, do that. Dude, they're not gonna really wanna do all those things. They're gonna lose attraction for you and then find a manly man and then dump your ass for that guy. I'm tired of hearing, oh, we want equality, but yet they are not willing to give up certain things that would make it equal. That means you don't want equality. That's crazy, man. I've heard people doing all street
Acting like-
interview and then
Yeah.
hearing a girl
They're
them
equal.
contradict themselves,
I think
like
they're
literally
not
in the same
I disagree with that statement.
sentence.
I
They
agree with what
contradict
you mean,
themselves. I'm
but I
like,
disagree with the statement
that
because
doesn't
I
make any
kind of feel
sense.
like the way you're being treated and like being oppressed is completely different to wanting to kind of have a gentleman court you. But I do agree with what you're saying because I would
I see
happily
what you're
pay for a
saying.
bill.
To be courted.
Yeah, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like for me, if you're asking me on a date and you're a gentleman, not that I expect you to pay.
Yeah.
But okay, you can pay. Shit hit the fan. I need
Yeah.
to have my own, and I think it's important that we advocate that as a society, like
Yeah.
not city girl style, but just
yeah,
as a woman.
yeah. City
hold
girl
your
stuff
own.
is whore
me,
behavior, bruh. Whore,
Salary's not an issue,
whore behavior.
but you need to earn as much as me, or at least be able to actually with somebody.
Things are passed
And then,
around
like,
in
I
the
found out
community
that
then
they've
because
slept with
it's
somebody
so
who
small
I've
and then
also slept
everybody
with.
doing this and this and that.
Okay.
It's a bit
That
grim,
show
innit?
you that
Yeah.
things can be
And they
passed
walk into a
around
party
very
together.
easily.
Could you imagine?
Yeah,
and they're
it's a
just
bit
there
grim.
like
It is a
both
bit
of
grim.
you.
It's a bit grim.
Yeah, I wouldn't like
Yeah.
that.
I just tend to just go out of Birmingham now.
See,
Yeah.
strategic there.
Yeah, strategic.
Damn, that's crazy, bro. I thought is that weird? It's not like a woman that she got a
No.
lot of
Why not?
No.
Why not?
options.
I don't trust anyone that wouldn't give me their phone passcode.
Because I watch porn.
Oh, what porn do you watch?
Why
can't they see?
Everyone's got fantasies,
Okay,
haven't
tell me
they?
your fantasy.
Dude,
Absolutely no,
dude,
right,
he's
no,
shutting
I'm not
himself
saying that.
in
I don't know
inquisitive,
if I'm
bro.
giving too much away.
She's not
you
even
know.
grilling
But
him
someone
right
might want
now.
to fulfill it.
I've already fulfilled it.
So what is it then?
Can't say it because then, no, can't. Think of like a job. They drive.
Oh my God, you're on madness. So they.
No, they don't drive when we're doing it.
Oh, I was
That's
thinking
that's their occupation.
pilot,
No.
bus driver.
Taxi driver, yes.
Have you done a taxi?
No, I'd love to.
What can it be?
Taxi driver.
It's a taxi
Taxi
driver.
driver,
AIT
you just
taxi
said it.
driver.
driver.
She just said it.
Sorry, I can't afford to pay.
That's crazy.
Can I pay you with my mouth instead?
Oh my God.
This dude
He
is
is
nuts.
living out the Pornhub fantasy. Like he's doing it. It's not a
Dude,
fantasy. He's living it.
dude,
Would you
Shannon
date
would
someone
want
with two of your friends in the
To
past?
be in some of those situations, but I can
Very
tell,
awkward for
bro.
me.
There are 7
I
billion
can
people on the
tell.
planet. I will go
She
and
probably
find
like
somebody
getting
else
choked
who hasn't
out,
been around the whole
so that
fucking
eyes
state.
get red and
Does
shit.
man win, though?
I don't know, bro. I'm just saying.
I still had it
I'm just saying.
before it was used, Gods.
What if they had like a really crazy ex after them?
I've been there. I've had that situation.
But how was that for you?
Yeah.
Would you stick around now, or is it just like no?
Yeah, I would. Now I wouldn't stay around now, but I did. But now, it would be a no. That would be a red flag.
Oh, okay.
That would be a red flag. Another red flag for me. You talking about your ex? I
Yeah.
don't give a shit. I don't hear about it. If you're
Yeah,
still
that's
talking,
true.
You still care. Red flag.
Yep.
Bye.
That's true. Even
Yeah.
though,
I
would've
even if
given
they
that
try to
some more
cuss
time,
your
I would
ex,
stay till the end.
I don't believe in that
I'd
shit, bro.
I
As
don't
long as you're
agree with
talking
it.
about them, that means
Fuck
say
your
you
ex,
still have
like, you ain't
feelings.
gotta
Even if
die
it's bad
So
feelings,
what if they
keep that
wanted
shit
involve
to
other people in
yourself.
their sex life?
I feel like that would end in violence.
Oh really?
I really do feel like it would end
You're
in
on
violence.
smoke.
Literally. Somebody would get. Yeah.
Do you think you are a good date?
I think I have been the best date that you've ever had, and I think I always will be. You'll never
Dude,
have a
if
date
she
like
ever
this again.
give this
I
guy
know.
a higher score than
As
everybody else,
women,
bro, I would be
this is the best
fuming,
date
bro.
Because it's kind of like, I feel like I know I don't owe you sex at the end of the
Yeah,
day.
yeah,
And like,
exactly.
so I feel at ease.
Yeah.
I can drink the wine a lot.
Drink as much wine as you like. What do you think of me as a date?
Oh,
Wait,
you're
wait, wait,
great.
wait.
You're really
That's
great
it.
company. I love honest because for
See
me,
it? Isn't that funny? She said that as a woman, she don't have a worry about how to not give you sex at the end of the day. So she's very calm and relaxed. But yet, yeah, you're not. Oh, you know what? I'm not gonna say anything. Show you the mindset that they got, bro. Like, okay, I'm gonna pay for your dinner, pay for everything, take you out, waste my time with
I've
you,
a lot of boxes.
There's only boxes of
make sure
Harrods.
you're okay.
Like,
Then
we
you
don't
can
have
go home,
Oh, okay.
go
Our sex
suck
would
a
be
dick somewhere, and then
awful.
I went this
Absolutely
way.
wouldn't even get that
Yeah,
far.
it's not even
Yeah.
going to be a thing.
No, he wouldn't. Sorry.
Oh, the date was so good. Like, it was such a good date. Like, it vibed, he made me laugh. TikTok
You're not gonna
boxes.
give him any coochie, bruh.
Absolutely amazing. Best out I've ever been on.
Oh my god, of course I'm going to see him again. Definitely.
Absolutely. I would love to see Sean again.
Where would you go?
Nando's. We would go to Nando's.
You said you were going to go Nando's. You down?
Listen, I'm ready. I'm booking the table now, ready.
I would like to think
Dude.
I'm going to get an 8. Ideally, I would like a 10. Because I
How
don't
much
see
is this guy gonna
anything
get better
about
than
it.
everybody, bruh?
And,
The
most
one
things
gay
are
dude,
much
bruh.
greater. So yeah.
I love his vibe. I love the jokes. I love the fact we got on. I loved his honesty. The only thing Roxy didn't tick is that he's gay, you know, and I need a man that's gonna, you know,
But
give me a bit more.
if
than
he-
that.
if he- if he-
So
if he
I'm gonna
was-
give him an 8.5.
dude, if he wasn't gay,
are, guys.
On our second time.
We are, guys.
dude, Shannon look way different, bruh. What the
I
hell?
know you man. Don't mind it to the second
Dude, she look like
time.
an Indian right there. She look like an Indian girl.
Bye.
That's